Well, hello there. Happy Monday. I hope you all had a great weekend and are ready for another fun week of learning. So, last week we were working on a new lesson about making a 10 to add. And this week we're going to start a new lesson on totals greater than 10. So, that means numbers or our answers will be bigger than 10. So, when we have an addition problem, some of our answers will be 11, 12, they could be 15, they could be 17, they could be 20. So we're working with numbers that are greater or more than 10 now. Let's start here. We're going to start easy and work our way up. It says, which equations show doubles? Well, we know doubles means that both addends need to be the same. So let's look at the addends. We have 2 and 2. That means that this one is a double. 4 plus 5 equals 9. While the equation is correct, it would need to be 2 of the addends would need to be the same. But we can see that 5 plus 5 equals 10 is the same, and 5 and 5 is a doubles fact. 2 plus 4 equals 6. That is correct, but 2 and 4 are not the same number. But 4 and 4 equals 8. 4 plus 4 equals 8. And 4 and 4 as addends is a doubles equation. And 5 plus 1, those numbers aren't the same. While the equation is true, this is not a doubles fact because the addends are not the same number. Let's start here. It says, Gia brings 6 balloons to the party. Ezra brings 6 balloons. How many balloons do they have in all? Let's highlight the important information. So we know Gia brings 6 balloons. We also know that Ezra brings 6 balloons. And the question is asking, how many balloons do they have in all? And when we see in all, that means we're going to add. So let's draw a picture. We have Gia's balloons. I'm going to draw circles for Gia's balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And let's draw Ezra's balloons. He also brought 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So as we can see here, we are adding 6, because we can look up here and see 6 circles representing the balloons, and 6. This is a doubles equation because 6 and 6, they're both the same number for the addends. So what's the answer? Well, we can count. We have 6. Let's count on in our head. 7. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 6 equals 12. So that means they have 12 balloons in all. And notice how I drew a picture to represent the balloons. That is absolutely okay. So we have doubles plus 1. So in my own words, we have a doubles fact, like 2 plus 2, with 1 more added. So that if we had 2 plus 2 as our doubles fact, oh, hold on. Let's try that plus sign again. So 2 plus 2, we would need to add 1 more to this addend to make it 2 plus 3. Notice how I added 1 more to the 3. Doubles plus 1. We have 4 here, and 1 more than 4 is 5. And here we have 3 plus 4 equals 7. We know 3 plus 3 is 6, and because we added 1 more to the 4 to make it 4, we have 7 now. 4 plus 4 is 8. But we added one more to that 4 to make it 5, which makes our answer 9. And here's some non-examples, because this one is a doubles. But this one doesn't work because 1 plus 6, you can't add you can't add 1 to any of these beforehand to make it a doubles fact. So that doesn't work. Here's our last problem for today. That went quick. All right, let's look at the problem. I'm going to get my highlighter. There are 6 red birds and 5 blue birds. How many birds in all? So I saw that there are 6 red birds and 5 blue birds. And the question's asking, how many birds in all? And those 2 words again, in all, means we're going to add. Well, if we look at the last problem, we had 6 balloons and 6 balloons, and we added them. So that must mean we're going to add these 2 as well. So we have 6 plus 5. Let's draw a picture. I'm going to draw tally marks to show the birds. So we have 6 red, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 5 blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And if we noticed, 5 plus 5 is 10, and here we have 6 plus 5. So we're just adding one more, and the answer is 11. And that is the end of our slideshow for today. So now it's your turn to practice. You're going to be able to practice addition problems with totals greater than 10. So the answers being more than 10. All right, remember, the strategies we can always use during a math problem. You can use a 10 frame, and even though you might fill up that 10 frame, you can always put counters on the outside, just like we did last week. Some of our counters didn't always fit in the 10 frame, but that's okay. You could draw a picture like Miss Hewes did, and you can use whatever strategy you want as long as it works. So counters, 10 frame, drawing a picture, drawing tallies, any of those that seem most helpful to you. All right, I wish you good luck, and I miss you very, very much. I hope you have a marvelous Monday. All right, good luck with your work, and if you have any questions, I'm always here to help. All right, bye-bye.